You never want to beat yourself up over being a procrastinator. Why? Procrastination is the normal human response to an activity, an event, a project, a task, anything that for whatever reason we can't get started on at the time we prefer to get started. Here's something that might be comforting to you. Since the beginning of time, everybody's procrastinated at one time or another on something. So in that respect, you're not alone. One of the quickest and easiest ways to get started when you're having difficulty is to practice what Alan Lakin said more than 60 years ago in his wonderful book, How to Get Control of Your Time in Your Life. He said, just pick 3 to 5 easy entry points, if you will. Like Swiss cheese, just poke holes in the task. Maybe you open up a file folder. Maybe you send off an email. Maybe you read 3 or 4 paragraphs. If you'll just take some small steps, 3, 4, 5, you'll find that in a matter of minutes, most likely, you don't want to stop. You're on your way.